up?
Cut the pretense, Fred. I see how you've been frolicking around town with Laura. But listen, let me tell you. If that is your ploy to get me jealous, or probably running back to you, you lie. Because I have channeled my energy into someone more beneficial. Alright? So I would advise you to change your script, or better still, change your script writer.
Alright, Chelsea. Can I take my rope?
Run along. Loser. By the time you will be done eating this delicious meal, you will be all mine.
Let's dance in style, let's swirl. Heaven can't wait to end up watching the sky, hoping for the best.
Sir.
Chelsea.
So I made something special for you.
Okay. By something special, you mean food?
Yes, sir.
Just like the one you made when I first returned?
Better than that.
Okay.
After you.
No, right behind you. Ladies first.
Okay.
African salad.
So, you like it?
Of course, I love it. How do you know this is one of my favorite food?
Anything for you, sir.
Thank you, Chelsea.
You're welcome.
You see why I made you my personal assistant? Thank you, thank you, thank you. African salad.
James, I brought you food.
Food? For me?
Yes, for you. Are you surprised?
I'm surprised, though. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you. Chelsea.
I'll kill you.
Chelsea, please. Chelsea, I love you.
James is chasing me. James is chasing you. How? He's just chasing me everywhere. I don't know. What is it now? Where are you going to? Why are you pushing me everywhere? What happened? I don't know. He's just chasing me everywhere. I didn't do anything.
Okay, so what
What did you do? James that I know cannot be chasing you up and down like that.
I said I did not do anything. Don't you get it? I didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything?
Yes.
So why is he chasing you? I just went to give Mr. Dillon his food. After giving him his food, I came out and James started chasing me. Are you hearing what you are saying? Does it make sense to you that James will just be chasing you?
I said he's chasing me. Don't you get it?
Okay, he's chasing you.
Chelsea, please, I love you.
Chelsea, I love you.
Who is okay?
Chelsea, please.
He's saying I love you. Chelsea, what did you do?
Chelsea, please, I love you. Open this door for me, Chelsea.
Chelsea, I love you.
Oh, let me go and check. No, don't go anywhere. Don't open the door. Don't open the door. Dora, don't open the door. He's chasing me. He's gone mad. He's gone bonkers. He's losing it. He's mad. He's making it to rage. He's losing it. He's making it to rage. He's a psycho. Shut up! I'm serious, damn it!
Chelsea, please don't do this to me. I love you, Chelsea. Chelsea.
He's saying he loves you. What did you do, Chelsea? Dora, one more word from you now. Oh, James, what did you do? James, come and see me.
I tell you never to bring him to my house?
I'm sorry. He kept on insisting on seeing you. Today he came to the shop and said, I will neither sell nor leave the shop. Just look at me. What power do I have to stop a man like this? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Let me quickly rush to the shop. My customers are waiting.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
What do you want from me? Why do you keep looking for me everywhere and asking people about me?
I can't help it. I can't get you out of my head. You now live rent-free in my head. And the only way to get you out of it is to decapitate me.
Then so be it.
I'm sorry. Please, just give me some time. There is something I would like to show you. I'm sure you'll love it.
Where did you get this from?
You know, this was the first time you made an indelible imprint in my heart. Afterwards, I vowed to find you.
This is in Namani's estate, where I sometimes work as a gardener.
I know.
You took the picture.
No, my sister did.
Who are you and who is your sister?
My name is Dilion Chukwemeka Chikezele Namani.
You're Chief Bartholomew's son? Please leave.
Why?
Just leave. Just leave! Get out! Can you just leave? Leave!
Why did you have to do something as irresponsible as to spike my food with black magic? Despite the fact that I brought you close and I trusted you.
I'm sorry, sir.
You're sorry? Okay, what exactly are you sorry for?
Sir, I don't know what came over me, okay? I guess I was just carried away by your presence and quest of having you all to myself. I am sorry. Sir, I promise it will never happen again, please. If you really feel my job, I don't have any other thing else to do, sir. Please, I beg you.
Hey. Don't. And of course it won't happen again. And this minute I'm relieving you of your job as my personal assistant.
Sir, please don't.
And I am reassigning you to the laundry department. This takes effect immediately.
Better, sir. Sir, thank you. God
Thank
bless
you for what exactly?
For not relieving
Are you still talking? Now leave.
Okay, sir. I should.
About the other day.
Are you going to pretend now?
Nothing happened the other day that came as shock to me. I invaded your privacy. And if it were to be the same a crime, I should be cooling up behind bars.
Welcome to my country.
Okay.
Thanks for the painting. My mom loves it so much. She shows anyone that comes around.
I am glad you like it. I am also glad to see you smile for the first time. Because I've tried to imagine what your smile looks like. It's beautiful.
Do you really want something?
Your heart.
That's expensive.
I know. That's why I want to have it. I want your heartbeat and mine to form a melody that we will listen to forever.
Forever?
Yes.
No.
Why?
Can you stop telling me this? Unless you don't want to see me again.
Okay. I understand. And that my promise to stop. I will allow things just to flow naturally. Come on, make leave. Promise me one thing. Never stop smiling. And how is your mom?
She stepped out.
Okay. And what are you up to for the rest of the day?
I'll be going to shops.
Okay. You mind if I tell her about
Sure.
Okay. And I hope I will be crossing the line. I will respect the boundaries. Okay. You know, there is this statue.
Chelsea?
Baby, do you miss me? Do you like what you see?
Are you alright, Chelsea?
Yes, I am. Look, I know I've been a bad girlfriend, okay? But I'm sorry. Okay? Look, baby, I'm sorry, okay? I know I've been a bad girlfriend, alright? But I have realized that you are the best thing that has ever happened to me. And I forgive you. I forgive you for everything you've been doing with the boss's daughter. Hmm? Do you forgive me too, Papi? Do you?
Freddie left.
I've been waiting for you.
Come on, we're going to be late.
The party has started already.
Alright, babes, I will join in a jiffy, okay?
Babe.
Stop!
Give me the way.
Why you not going to come back here? Fred!
Garnish it well, oh. I trust your handwork. Yes.
Pepe.
Yes, put am well. I like pepper. I like pepper. Yeah. Just say no small.
No, I say country.
Auntie, do am fast now. Put am well, oh.
Okay, should I come and assist you?
Please assist. Madam, come down. Let's assist. I'm next. Just.
Okay, you heard that, alright?
Madam, let's assist. Hurry up now. But madam, this is your man.
Are you afraid I wouldn't serve your customers well?
Madam, please come and serve my fine.
Okay,
Yes. Say as you fine. Hey, fine man.
Oh, they go now.
I beg, I don't leave
They
you.
go. They go.
Set for me.
So,
Wow. I'm next. After her,
okay, how much?
200 naira. Hi.
Take it easy, relax. Get to
After her, I'm you.
get to everyone, okay?
Miss my own, may you fine like your face.
Sweet boy.
Now me first.
Okay, you trying to die.
After me, oh, now me.
Hi.
Yeah.
What are wait now? Shoe? Me. I'm son. Put them on. I bet she.
How? Me.
I'm son.
Please, my own.
I have money. I'll pay times 2. Can you please give me? I bet shift. I have money. Calm down.
My own face. After her, I just don't
Okay, this is what is going to happen.
Okay.
You all calm down to get to every one of you.
We are coming down.
Why did you allow such a thing to happen to you? Say they will convince you to marry. Olivia, you believed him. Huh? Now see what he has done to you. He's gotten you pregnant. What are you going to do about it?
How could you be so gullible, Olivia? I mean, you don't get sense again.
There's no one came over me. It's okay. Come on, Jane. Take it easy on her. She hates us now. Men with their cunning and deceptive tendencies. You know what is going to happen, huh? I'm going to go to that Oscar guy and I will speak to him in a manner that he will never forget in the movie when he gets back to that stupid Alabama. Dora, don't go. Why? Eternal Mama. Oh, my son. How did you know his friend? Foolish enough. Our mom don't do. We may be living our working year, but we are not of them. And it's high time we accepted that and take our jobs seriously. It's okay. It's okay. All we need now is each other.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can character. When you try to fake it, how long can you hold on? True love is the ultimate, and that's all I know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Love is natural. When you find someone.
You like it?
Sure. It's okay. What's the name?
Nothing.
Making me good.
Of course, lots to go. You're beautiful. You're everything and more. You like it? Can we make a toast?
Sure.
I'll let you go first. What are we toasting to?
To us.
To us. To love. To eternity.
To forever.
To forever. I love you. Who would believe a moment like this would come? I remember the first time meeting you, you chased me away.
You're actually very stubborn.
I wasn't stubborn. I was just being a gentleman. But here I am, about to feed that same lady. I don't believe I'll feed you today.
You're making me blush.
Of course, that's the goal, to make you blush.
Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. I've been saying that love is natural. When you find someone who understands.
Yeah, it's okay. No, you don't have to say something like that now, yeah. Okay, you know what, how about I call you back in an hour? I have a serious appointment now. Hey, come on, no, that's not the case. Come on, with your jokes. Okay, no, I'm serious. You know you're my love, I love you. Yes. I do. Come on, give me these nasty jokes. Yeah, okay, no problem. I'll see you. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye. Love you.
Love.
Mom, how long have you been standing there?
Long enough to know that my son is in a relationship and he is hiding it from me. You're cheating on me.
Hey, Mom.
I am your first love.
Come on, Mom.
And how can you be in love and you're not telling me? No, I need to cry now.
No, stop, don't cry. I'm sorry. No, that is impossible.
So who's she?
Okay. Her name is Zitel.
Zitel? Is that
Yes.
Igbo?
Yes, Igbo.
Like Chizetelo.
I think that sounds like it. You're correct. Zitelo. Yes, you're correct. Zitelo.
Oh my goodness. So, is she beautiful? Is she tall? Does she have a wide hip like your mama? I mean, what does she do? Who are her parents? Where does she live? Tell me everything about her. What kind of thing does she like? Come on.
Mom, take some chill pills.
Why?
It's not the time for question and answers.
Who said? You don't have time, son. Come on.
Okay.
Tell me about her.
Yes, Mom, I know I don't have time. But I'm working on it.
You're working on it?
Yes.
What do you mean you're working on it? But I saw you like all besotted on her. You love her, right? Come on, tell me about her. She's beautiful. What does she like?
Mom, stop.
No, I won't be confused.
No.
You have to bring her for dinner.
Mom, stop.
You have to bring her for dinner.
Okay, I'll bring her for dinner.
When?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
You stop.
Tomorrow.
I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's go.
Dinner.
Yeah, no problem.
Come on, she has to go for dinner.
Oh, you've got jokes actually. You know, I try to imagine how you're able to maintain this beauty despite the stress you encounter every day. So tell me, what's the secret?
Well, you will have to pay for the information that you seek.
And you know that I can literally do anything. I can afford it.
Really?
Of course. Try me.
An information in exchange for your life.
My life?
Yeah.
There's this man, I don't know, I've seen him before. He's been threatening my life, he's been coming for me, the one wielding a gun by that door. And how did it follow me up to this point? The one there by that door. If you look very well, you'll see him. Asked for my life, right? And I'm willing to give it to you. Not just my life, my heart, my time. And all of my attention that I ask of you. Will you treasure life? I'll give it to you. Will you protect my heart? And if you will, please, Zito, I want you to be the mother to my unborn children. My second half. I miss it. Please, marry me.
Yes, you can wait.
That's all I know. Love is beautiful. Love is beautiful. Everything that love is natural. When you find someone who understands, then you fall in love. Then you fall in love. Yeah. Have you seen love is beautiful? Love is beautiful. Have you seen love is natural? Love is natural. When you find someone who understands your heartbeat, you fall.
So where are you? What's happening? Okay, no problem. Yeah, we've been waiting. Okay, no problem. I'll be waiting then. Come on, don't keep my parents waiting, please. No, of course you know I love you. Okay, no problem. Yeah, sure. Okay, love you.
Why didn't you send one of the drivers to go pick them up? Considering the fact that she's coming with her family.
Yeah, I offered to do just that then. She said I shouldn't bother that they're almost here. So, who am I to go against my babe's wishes? I had to respect her decision.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are they the one coming?
What is that? No, that can be.
Sure.
Of course, that's a G-Wagon.
Maybe that's one of Daddy's friends.
Daddy's friend?
Yeah.
No. Of course, Daddy cancelled all his appointments today for this moment.
Really?
Yes, can be.
Okay, let's see.
this?
These are my parents.
Yeah, welcome, Mom. Welcome, that is sweet. Yes. So, who's that?
Welcome, ma'am.
You must be Dillian. I am Dillian. Good.
Dillian.
Yes, Mom.
The song in my daughter's mouth always. Billion this, billion that.
I think I'm my
Oh, they're fine. They've been waiting for you all. My sister Laura Zitel's parents, please.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dad and Mom. Yeah.
Just calm down. I know you have a lot to say.
I'm calm.
Just calm down. I'll tell you.
It's not okay.
No, later.
But this, you turn around. Damn. Come here. You look beautiful.
Thank you.
You sure have a lot of explanations to do. Come meet my parents.
Juliet? Emilia! Juliet! This is not possible!
Oh my goodness! Emilia!
Juliet!
No, this is not possible.
It is possible!
Emilia!
My goodness!
You guys know each other?
She was the only intelligent friend I had way back in school. And we attended commercial secondary school together.
We were the most intelligent and talented in our class back days.
And you forgot the most beautiful.
Oh God, Emilia, you have not changed yet.
And you haven't changed.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. And is that the man you married and, went off to America?
Yeah, my husband, Chief Levi Okoye.
Oh, nice to meet you, Chief.
And my little princess.
Chief, how are you?
How are you?
Oh, good.
Sit
Welcome, thank you. Chief.
Ow.
Yeah, welcome to my house.
Emilia.
You are
Please, sit down.
beautiful. Just the way my son is correct.
Thank you, Mom. And you're blessed and intimidating beauty.
Oh, yes. How are you with the words? I love flattery. Say that again to me.
You're very
And you are beautiful. Please sit down.
Ah, Emilia.
Juliet! Oh my goodness!
Are you Chief Levi of Stars Group of Companies?
Yes, I am, Chief. And it is an honor to finally meet the brain behind Nnamani's dynasty.
Yeah, welcome to my house.
Sorry, please. Everyone, I am lost. Please, what's happening?
Babe, I know you have a lot of questions to ask.
Of course, I do have questions to ask.
I'm so sorry for not coming clean from the word go. How come I didn't tell you about my status? You must be asking, right?
Exactly.
Well, I did that because I've had a lot of men come to me because of what they can get from me. And then again, it's a project for me.
What sort of project?
Okay. I own an NGO called Save the Girl Child. We cater for the girl child all over Africa, especially the less privileged ones. I had to take up some tasks like cleaning, hawking and selling food, and every other sufferings and mundane stuff the girl child has to struggle with in this society all over Africa. I wanted to feel what they felt in the society replete with stigmatization for the girl child. I wanted to reach out to them at the point of their needs. And for me to do so, I needed to understand what those needs are and what it felt like to be a woman in this part of the world. Your sister captured me when I was undergoing one of those tasks.
Which means you're not from downtown?
Not at all. I came into the country 4 months ago. Wow. I'm so sorry. I needed to complete the assignment, otherwise the course will be terminated.
Sorry? You know, that's some creepy stuff there.
Well, my dear, what you're doing is very noble, and you have our support. Welcome.
Well done. I was told that the banquet is ready, so what are we waiting for?
So let's head to the bigger living room. So, shall we?
Yes.
You do that. Come here.
Ladies and gentlemen, today is epochal for us at the Deepening group, as history is about to be made again. Today, I am stepping aside to hand over the baton of continuity to the next generation. As we all know, the Nnamdi Group is a consortium of generational growth and development. We have been touching lives for decades, which makes us the signature of all eyes and the envy of many. Today, as the man with the largest shares in the dynasty, I crave the indulgence to introduce again to you my successor. I am talking about a man, vibrant and energetic, full of life and ideas. A man that will give us an edge at the marketplace. A man who we believe will take the dynasty to a higher plane. I am talking about my son, the Chukwemeka Chikezi Nnamdi.
Thank you very much, Daddy. I really appreciate this trust and confidence bestowed on me. You know, Daddy, if I say I'm not nervous, I'll lie. Of course, I am the true son of my father, and trust me to keep the legacy going. Gentlemen and nobles here, it's such an honor for me actually to be sharing you all, and I promise that in my regime, nothing, but I mean nothing, the standards here won't drop. We're going to raise the bar so high that will become a force for the world to reckon with.